Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply get curly bangs. Even if your hair is very long and you've just been dying to cut it, you don't need to cut anything. We're just going to do some pin curls along the bang area. Start by having your hair wet. Use a Denman brush to smooth the clump of curl, and then just wrap it around using my ribboning technique. This may take just a little bit getting used to, but you'll figure it out. It's very simple. Be sure to secure the ends, and one bobby pin is probably fine. Now I'm actually planning on sleeping on this tonight. I'm going to use my pillow plop technique. Even though my hair is wet, I can sleep on it, and I'll wake up with really nice curls that are already dry and ready to go. Let me just quickly finish this last pin curl. I've just got 4 across the front of my hair here. And this is me in the morning. I can't even believe it. My hair turned out so nice. All I have in it is leave-in and primer from the products that I make, No Frizz 10. And here we go. Let's just take out these pins. Take your time. Be sure not to disrupt the curls. Then I'm going to go ahead and just give a gentle shake and give a nice big chuckle. It looks a little funny until you get all the curls positioned, but basically just give them a little twirl, maybe separate them, and then I'm going to show you a little trick on how to kind of fluff these out and style them. So like I say, I just separated that one. Okay, and then right here, look at this. If you hold from the top and the bottom of the curl like this and pull upward, the hair will kind of slide in between your fingers, and this is going to fan out that curl. It's also going to shrink it up. So even if your hair is really long, what we've done here gives you volume, and look at how much shorter my hair is in the front. Wow, and I've been dying for this kind of a look. It gives me so much more energy. I feel so much cuter. I just turned 40 the other day. Can you believe it? So I just love this hairstyle. I hope you guys will try it and let me know how you like it. Comment below what variation that you used, if it worked for you, and let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe and share the video. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Bye.